Hello everyone, I am Sarzil Mishid with my teammate Ashhab Labib from Bangladesh Maritime University. We are excited to present our vision for maritime logistics. The title of our presentation is Smart Port Building the Green Future of Maritime Logistics. Our vision is clear to transform ports into intelligent, self-sustaining ecosystems. This is more than just a tech upgrade, it is a fundamental shift in how we power and operate the world's logistics hub. It can be achieved by utilizing IoT, AI, and renewable energy to create eco-efficient operations. Our goal is to reduce emissions, improve logistics, and promote sustainability. To understand the solution, we must confront the problem. Uh, as we can see, the ports contribute significantly to carbon emissions and local pollution. And this is caused by high operational costs driven by inefficient cargo handling and immense energy wastage, and also the inefficiency. Every hour lost to poor scheduling means wasted fuel and higher cost across the global supply, and also harm to our environment. Now the quote, being green is no longer a nice extra, it's a must have for ports to stay in the competitive and strong world we are moving on. And yeah, it also gives sustainable solutions for the long-term competitiveness. Here is the smart port, a fully connected digital system that adds intelligence to every sector of operations. It can be achieved by using smart sensors, which can integrate all the works and together to save time and as well as energy. Also using AI systems like making schedules perfect, warning us about broken machines, and managing resources, and it can be a huge time saver for us. And by integrating renewable power grids, which will help to end our dependency on the on the conventional engines which we are using, and to use sun and wind and also water to produce energies which can be which can be also a good thing to reduce the pollutions. Now let's look at the basic plan for this system to work. The engineering framework of the smart port. We can see from the slide here that we have energy layer, which has which is the which is green system to mixing solar power, wind power, and huge batteries, and to create self-running power system. And then we have the digital layer. This part handles all the data using smart sensors and fast 5G kind of internet and online platform to integrate the all works and the smooth operation of the work of the port. And we have operations layer, which have digital twins and AI driven predictive control, which can predict the the timing and the in the climate, which will be help for the scheduling the voyage of the ships. And the most important part is that all three layers talk to each other through the one control systems, which is allowing that for smart decisions. Slide, system architecture overview shows the centralized AI control connection of all port systems. It takes information from sensor network, which gathers data from every ship, crane, and other ports, and also the power sources. The artificial intelligence uses this data to run the run the a clean energy grid, making sure there is always power available for conducting operation smoothly. Microgrid balances renewable energy and shore power to produce energy, and um, the and testing different plans to keep everything running smoothly. In this slide, we can see the case example, so which says renewable power integration can lead to energy savings. AI scheduling can reduce the the time waste on the rescheduling and waiting times, and the predictive maintenance decrease the servicing times, and demonstrating scalability and return on investment, which can be feasible for smooth port operations. And we have their expected benefits, which are divided into four parts. The environmental part shows reduction in emission via clean energy, so uh, the pollution rate is decreased. And we have the operational part, which says AI scheduling will reduce the ship time, saving the ship time to wait and to organize cargo better, meaning the faster ship turnaround time. The economic benefits are low energy cost, and which is economically beneficial. And social is the by reducing pollution and noise. The the it it gets to a safer workplace, and the surroundings gets free from the pollution. Part of the slide shows the assessment and planning and integrating the digital systems into the port, which is we can start by three steps by looking and planning current operations, what is missing and what can be included, and then upgrading the ports, installing new smart power grids, and the renewable energy sources we need to do, and the connecting digital systems, the smart sensors, and AI generated and AI powered systems to integrate the work. And this is all in my part. And next my teammate Ashhab Labib will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Mishid, for such a nice introduction and giving the plan. Hello, everyone. My name is Ashhab Labib. I will continue from here. In slide, we will more dive into the technical section or technical operations part for the smart port and for grid and integration. We are planning to use artificial intelligence and automation. We are planning to rely on them. The automated vehicles and drones for continuous monitoring of the container and digital twin operations for the optimization of this both automated and human system. And to power this all automated uh, vehicles and drones, we are looking for sustainable initiatives in renewable energy as we are looking forward to go green from as a vision of as a part of IMO 2050 vision. So the electrical and hybrid machineries and smart energy and waste management shall be introduced here for powering the total system. And the workforce training should be implemented here to give the total operations a steady speed. The AI powered operations, we will predict the weather conditions, vessel arrival, and optimizing berth allocation, which will reduce the idle time for ships to stay on the shore, and they will be able to resume their operations or do their operations quickly. And other thing is machine learning, which will give our fuel optimizations data, and all this will boost the outcome 15 to 20%. And digital twin integration is the real-time virtual model of the port that will enable the predictive maintenance and operational cost and reduction, and will efficient our decision making. The eco-intelligent port environment. This now finally comes the green innovation plan. Our first step will be go for the renewable energy to power the whole port. The innovation plan includes the tidal and hydrogen energy, and also the solar energy to power the port system, and AI-based energy balancing as we will be producing renewable energy. So we would like to make the most of it. So the AI will help us to make the more efficient use of our energy, and the circular resource flow residue water will be used for recycling the heat, and thus the green initiative policy will be implemented incentive policy, and the reduce it will reduce port fee and also have the low emissions. And now to implement all this, we will need collaboration and also we will have to look forward to the scalability so that this sort of smart port grid system can run for long time. That can be, we will look forward to public private partnership so that the modular design and other innovations can also come from private sector, and public sector can implement them by the rules and regulation. And future vision for this smart maritime ecosystem is the integration with autonomous vessels and digital logistics corridors, AI powered route planning. So by 2050, we aim to reach the net zero port operations, leading the way for smart and sustainable maritime infrastructure. In conclusion, the smart port will transform the traditional operations into efficient and sustainable ecosystem. The automation, AI, and green technologies will boost the productivity and safety of the port, and global leaders who are looking forward to go to the green energy system and eco-friendly system can find this type of green port and power grid system very useful and a good strategy to go green in the near future. And for further inquiries, contact Sarzil Mishid and me, Ashhab Labib. Here is our Gmail ID. We are look forward to collaborating on a smart and greener future. Thank you for listening.